Robotics funding just hit a wall of money, and the machines are actually shipping at scale. This is not speculation anymore. Start with the raw numbers. Robotics companies raised $55.8 billion in the first half of 2026 alone. That is nearly double all of 2025. The previous year saw 13.8 billions. So, the funding velocity just doubled in 6 months. Now, for who is cashing those checks? Figure AI, the leading humanoid robotics company, hit a $39 billion valuation after its Series C in September 2025. 15 months earlier, it was valued at $2.6 billion. That is a 15 times increase, one of the fastest hardware runs in startup history. Neura Robotics, a German company, just closed a $1.4 billion Series C, backed by Amazon, Nvidia, Qualcomm, and Bosch. $1.4 billion. For a robotics company that is pre-IPO, that is industrial infrastructure money, not venture capital. And here is where the story gets real. These are not lab demos anymore. Figure 02. Robots logged over 1.250 hours of runtime at a BMW factory. They loaded 90,000 parts, contributed to building more than 30,000 BMW X3 vehicles. Actual factory hours, actual production work. 1X, another humanoid maker, opened a 58,000 square foot factory in California in 2026. Their first-year production already sold out in 5 days. Capacity 10,000 units, year 1. By end of 2027, 100,000. Price $20,000 to buy, or $499 a month on subscription. That is car money, car terms. The market is moving toward consumer scale. China dominates. Unitree and Agibot account for 80% of global humanoid shipments in 2026 and produce at roughly half the cost of Western competitors, about $50,000 per unit versus Western prices far higher. And the market? Goldman Sachs projects the humanoid robotics market at $38 billion by 2035. That was written before June 2026 happened. This is FutureLedger. If this rewired how you see the robotics race, subscribe.